welcome to the Baking Lowdown. Today we will be making red velvet cookies.
Yep, we're gonna making some red velvet monster cookies with these eyes, candy eyes. Found those at the store. They happen to be vegan friendly. We've got all our ingredients together, and we're gonna get started. Never tried this recipe, found it online, and hopefully it's delicious and looks cool. So
let's get started.
First, we have 2 cups of flour. We put 1 cup. This is our 2nd cup now. Next is going to be a 1/2 cup of cacao powder. One teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon salt. We got a 1/2 cup of regular sugar and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Mix up the dry ingredients before we start on our wet ones. Give out 2 sticks of vegan butter. We use Earth Balance. We're gonna put in our egg replacement now, which is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. I like that mixture for cookies. Then we have 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of red food coloring gel to make it red velvety. Mix it up, throw it in the oven. Add your chocolate, mix it up while your oven's preheating at 350, and we're gonna throw these in there. So in the oven we go for about 9 to 12 minutes on 350.
Yep.
And we'll add our candy eyes after. Cookies are done. I got a regular 2-eye monster.
I got a 5-eye, which the 5th eye just came out.
So let's try them on. Look at that. I don't know how you can see how red it is, but it's pretty red. It's pretty dark. It's pretty dark.
That's some soft candy.
It's a soft cookie too.
This tastes better than all of the other ones we've made.
What?
10.
10? These are 10. 10. So 5 more eyeballs. That's 10. Try out the recipe. Super is easy. We kind of went off of the recipe a little bit. You were supposed to, you lost the eye. Supposed to mix the sugar in with your wet ingredients and then add it to the rest of the dry. We did the opposite. We just added all of the ingredients in one bowl, mixed it by hand first, and then used the blender to mix it up so this way everything doesn't come flying at us. And Logan has some news for us too.
I hope you like the new intros and outros I
Picked? You made them yourself.
That is true.
Yeah, so leave us a comment below. Let us know what you think. Try the recipe, and yeah, have a sweet day and a happy Halloween.